At Karen's Florist, we've been doing an open house. We just had our 13th annual. We always kick off the season in our town with a huge holiday open house and wine tasting. So we partner with some of our community vendors or restaurants, and we have a restaurant there to do the food. We have another one that does the desserts. We of course do the wine tasting, and everybody leaves with a nice gift. So for the past several years, we've been giving out a dozen roses, which they absolutely love. We've got a little surprise in for this coming season. But we really just want to bring the community together, and we get all the Christmas decorations out, and it just turns into be a community event. If you're looking to do an open house or an event in the shop, you really need to get the word out to your customers, to your community. Go to your local Chamber of Commerce, go to any places that your town or your city brings people together. And then some kind of a reason for them to come. Is it the wine tasting, if you have a liquor license, which we do, but you may not. So is it a free gift? Is it a discount for that night only? What is bringing them into the shop? So you have to give them something that would make them want to come in.